Hey everyone, this is Alex from Coinexx, and in this short video I'm going to show you how to create a watch list for ActTrader, WebTrader and the mobile platform. So when you're logged in to the WebTrader, on the left hand side here, this is where your watch list will appear. Now at the moment we've just had it on default, but we can always create a brand new watch list, and you can create as many as you like. So just by clicking here, if we go to create new watch list, now we can name this watch list whatever we like. We're gonna call this USD pairs. Okay, create watch list. And now we have to add the instruments that we're interested in keeping in this watch list. So if we go to search symbols at the top here, we can either search for a particular symbol by typing it in, or we can scroll down and find it manually, however you like. So we're going to add a few USD pairs to this watch list. So we're going to add Euro US dollar straight off the bat. We're also going to add the pound US dollar, and we are going to search for gold, which is XAU USD. So XAU, there it is, USD. And we're going to add a crypto as well. So I'm going to add Bitcoin, which is BTC. Bitcoin has been added. Click the X here, and there are the 4 symbols that we have added to our watch list. Of course, you can categorize them. So if you want to just quickly search for the Forex ones within your watch list, click Forex, pound US dollar, Euro US dollar. Indices, we didn't add any indices, but commodities, we added gold. And gold appears, and crypto, of course, we added Bitcoin, and Bitcoin has appeared. So that is how you create a watch list, and at any given moment you can of course edit these pairs. So if I just click the search symbol button, I can, if I want to remove Euro US dollar for example, just click the X, Euro US dollar disappears. And of course I can always edit the actual watch list name. So just by clicking the edit, I can call it something else. So just call it USD for example. Change the name, and of course at any point I can of course delete the watch list completely by clicking the little trash icon. So click that, delete, and the watch list is gone. So it's really as simple as that. It's a very easy way just to have the pairs that you particularly trade, or you like to trade more often, just to have them in quick view right there. And at any given point, if you want to open one on a chart, so say right now we have the pound US dollar open, so I want to open up the Euro US dollar, you just got to click it, and boom, there it is.